So I'm having an issue all of a sudden with ABS. I don't know why the top surface looks so rough. I don't know if you can see it here, but I don't remember having this issue before. It used to be perfect on the automatic settings. I've never done any special settings except for just a few little things. But this all of a sudden turned out to be so bad. And I don't think it's from moisture, although I haven't tried drying any of my filaments, but I have a feeling that it's some kind of update. I looked into it just a little bit, but I didn't find any solution to it. I've tried a few things they suggested, but it looks really bad. And so I had to print some things before I fix it, because I'm trying to make some mounts for my phone. I've had this mount and I want to adjust it to my car and some other parts from places. So sanding ABS is amazing. It's really cool. It's like sanding wood, like MDF wood. There's no grains, but it shouldn't be the way you do it. And yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's so weird. Makes me wish that I had a powder printer, which always gives amazing results, but it's quite expensive and too much work. With these babies, you just open the front door and you get a new part, like so easily. And that was initially my concern when getting into 3D printing, because I knew nothing about it and I was afraid and worried of what I'm gonna do. But the moment I bought the machine, it was so easy. For someone who didn't know anything except for a little design on SketchUp. I was designing furniture, very basic knowledge. It was amazing to design something very simple and print it perfectly right away. And I haven't learned too many things since, even though I've been working with 3D printing. I know very basic things and have very basic designing skills, like mainly geometric objects. But in terms of the settings of bamboo or orca that I'm using, it's mostly automatic, unless I need something and I Google it and give it another try, but never had significant results with changing the settings. I haven't invested too much time in it, for sure, but it's mostly automatic and that's what's amazing about it. But now having this issue with ABS, I need to fix it, because I'm having some orders on ABS. It's not good, doesn't look good. And I cannot be sanding every little part when I have an order for 200 parts or more. It's fine to do it for mine, but yeah, it looks so good when you sand it. It feels so smooth. I made this one before. I dropped it yesterday and it broke. I think I want to try carbon, see how tougher it is for certain parts. But always feels good sanding. And in the beginning, when I sanded something or even a little scratch, I was trying to cover to cover it up, like there was a different, this color is different, so I wanted to make it look like it was new, and I was looking into solutions and solvent things, and then my friend suggested an incredible product. It's being used for cars, for the plastics on the cars. It's called Trim Care from 3D. I mean, this thing is incredible. It's the only thing that I've found that works with like finishing an object after sanding it. And I'll show you now how it looks. It is so good. It looks like new, almost like you never sanded it, and it stays there. I've used it in my car too. Okay, that looks real good. Well, I'm not gonna sand the inside, although I don't like looking at it, but I won't look at it again. So check this out. So this, hold on, I'll put the light here. This is how it looks when it comes out of the printer. I mean, in terms of the color and the shade. And this is when you're sanding it. And then now when I apply this magical gel thing, look, straight away covers it up. See, it's amazing. It's really awesome. Hope I don't break it again. I apply it with a brush first when it's in a regular shape and has to go everywhere. Otherwise you can do it with your hands and then you wipe the excess off. But it is so good. I've tried other products and I couldn't find anything removing the sanding, what's the word? Sanding thing. Yeah, but that thing is amazing. And then you can, yeah, wipe the excess off, but it's still good. It absorbs it. So it's good if you let it cure a little bit, let it stay there. And you don't even have to apply a second coat. It comes like this straight away and stays like this. So now my part is ready. It's kind of a GoPro attachment because I have more attachments from GoPro and I wanted to like use this window vacuum thing, how you call it, and a few more. So yeah, that's perfect. This thing works with everything, all materials. Well, I've only tried PLA and ABS, maybe PETG, but yeah. One bad thing about ABS, one great thing about ABS. We'll see, I'll figure it out. Thanks for watching.